Just met up with the guy who installs security cameras on schedule for sometime next week. Pretty excited about that. Got to figure out a couple of logistical things. I went ahead and measured the shop. I hadn't even paid attention to, but the paint booth might not clear. This is definitely something I got to consider, and I got to figure out exactly if it's going to work. It's going to be basically right up against the wood, and it's something that I got to definitely take into consideration before I just go ahead and purchase such an expensive tool. It just rained on me right now. I'm going to focus on cleaning up some trash right now, maybe put up some signs around the fence line. Tomorrow I'm scheduled to go to Houston to pick up the paint booth. So I'm excited. I'm also nervous because it's a big expense. After buying a property, this is probably the second biggest expense. I'm excited about the potential of jobs it's going to open up, but at the same time, like I said, I'm nervous getting it here. I have a couple of family members lined up, a couple of friends lined up. Hopefully they can help out. I know it is going to take some work to get it taken down, disassembled, loaded up, and brought back. I'm hoping I can do everything in one load. That's kind of the goal. I don't want to have to try to do everything in 2 loads or 3 loads. I'm trying to see if I can get the trailer big enough that I can do everything in 1 load.
You're gonna put it up on that wall right there by the metal? Keep it up.
All right, we're having a birthday party for my dad today. Turn on the AC and stuff to get it going. Last night, the storm came in hard, and well, this is what I come up to right now. I love this stuff. After I got the boot and brought home that day, taking up pretty much the full day from 8 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. Now I'm going to have to start planning for a whole weekend to start putting it together, because it was fun taking it apart. It's going to be more fun putting it together, I'll tell you that much. So I'm not looking forward to that, but it's something that I have to do. And anyway, that wraps it up for this video, guys. If you're new here, consider hitting that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Hit that bell for notifications. Follow me on all social platforms. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so you might want to tune in for that. Until next time, guys, later.
Feeling like